There's been many a discussion on how you can accomplish getting 100, 500, 800, or even 1,000 geocaches in one day, and we're going to show you that coming up next on Cache Canada. 14 meters over there. That way. Right there.
I should probably have my phone.
And the search begins now. We're starting at ET Highway number 1. We gave ourselves 1 hour on the clock as we were heading home to see how many caches we could find within that hour using the method of swapping containers. Swapping a signed cache with an unsigned one at GZ.
I see it already.
14 straight out. Now 10. There isn't a need to check for hints as they're all the same, a pile of rocks.
I couldn't imagine doing this for 3,000 caches.
No. Okay, this one's back a bit.
Okay.
Oh, you can see the pile of rock right in front of you. Keep going to your right. If we see it from the vehicle, we'll point it out.
Looks like a little cairn.
Yeah.
Steve?
Looks like it's a bit farther off the road than some of the other ones. And here we go. There.
Got it.
Got it? While the runner is out, I log the cache as found with a prepared log template, then tap to navigate to the next cache. Okay, we want to introduce you to our crew. We have Read My Lips, Trudy and Steve, right there.
Yay!
And then, of course, Cache Canada, London Westie, and Lyric Glass. So this is a great way to do the ET Highway, or any kind of string like this, is to have 4 people. So one person, me, is acting as the driver and navigator. And then we have basically 2 jumpers, Trudy and Steve. And then in the back, Karen is doing the logging. So what we'll do is jump out of the vehicle, grab the first cache, but we'll deposit another container. We'll pick up that first container, bring the container with you. Karen gets that container, she opens it up, logs the cache, and then gives it to the next runner. So we pass it to the next runner, and then on the next cache, that cache is replaced for the cache that they're going to pick up. So it's continuously dropping and picking up. And that's how you produce more geocaches within an hour than you normally would by stopping and signing each one. Here, the runner has a container with him with a signed log sheet. At GZ, he picks up the container there and drops the one he brought. It's covered back up, then he brings the unsigned cache back with him and passes it off to the log signer.
Just going for a little walk out into the...
We then navigate to the next cache. Trudy does just as Steve did. She passes the container back to Karen to sign and get ready for the next run.
Yeah.
I don't think you can find it.
Don't make me have to come out there.
Okay.
At the end of the hour, we were able to find 56 caches. That's just over 1 per minute on average. If we could have sustained that rate for 8 hours, we could have found almost 450 caches. And some geocaching purists would probably say this is completely wrong, but to each their own, and everyone plays the game their own way.